now in Jive for mass communication. Here again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add second Google account to your Google Chrome. Or could be any other browser, the process would be the same, but better to do this in Google Chrome. So let's see, it could be the second account or third account, whatever you like. In this case, you can see I'm using Google Chrome. You can use another browser as well, no problem at all. You can see here already one of my account is connected, so I'm going to add another one. I click this button. See, one of my account is connected. You see here, add another account. Very simple. Hit this one. You have to type the account you want to connect. For example, I want to connect this account. Type the name of the account you want to connect, for example. Here we go. After, hit next button. Put the password of your account. After putting the password, hit next button. An account is connected. So you can see I connect with new account. I have my old account the same way. You hit one more time, add another account, so you can add more accounts to Gmail. So you can add so many Google accounts, and it's very easy to switch to one another. You just have to hit the other one. You see, you switch, very easy, just clicking. So this is very easy tutorial how you can connect second or third account to your browser. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.